Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks again for joining me here today. Today, it's a little rainy outside, so I'm doing the intro inside the home, so try not to spoil it too much for you. You can see the beautiful kitchen behind me. This is a wonderful Cape Cod in Wayne, PA, in the middle of Radnor Township. So a little bit about the area. Wayne is one of the big suburbs on the main line of Philadelphia, which is a really affluent, beautiful series of suburbs and neighborhoods along the Pennsylvania Railroad before Philadelphia. So it's around 20 to 25 minutes from the heart of Philly, but it's right there, and it's only 5 minutes from Villanova University. I really hope you guys enjoy this tour, but before we go, just leave a like. It really helps us out with the channel, and let's go check this out. All right, everybody, that was the tour. This Cape Cod, it's deceivingly big, first off. I wasn't expecting it to be this large coming into the place, but it's just over 4,000 square feet, and there's just room after room after room. And unfortunately, because of the terrible weather outside, we're committed to showing you guys these home tours, and unfortunately, sometimes the weather just doesn't cooperate. But we weren't able to give you as many shots of the outside, but we're going to include some drone footage as well. But this property, recently remodeled, they did a fantastic job. They really put a lot of effort. This wasn't just a cheap, let's just improve the face of it and hope somebody buys it. They really gave it their all. And you can tell from the master bedroom to the beautiful kitchen to every single one of the bathrooms, they really put in a lot of effort and a lot of detail. So if anybody is interested, please just reach out to me. I can give you some more information about the home and help make this home yours. Or if you just love home tours like this, subscribe to the channel. We're going to be bringing more and more home tours like these to you every single week. We're always trying to improve, always trying to get better for you guys so that you are on top of real estate in the greater Philadelphia area. And if you're looking to buy or sell in the greater Philadelphia area, don't be a stranger. I'm here as a resource for you and to help make your real estate dreams come true. And that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the tour. Check out the rest of the channel. We have a bunch more tours just like this. I'll see you soon.